Vermicast, often called worm castings, is a powerful organic fertilizer and soil conditioner that results from the natural digestive processes of composting worms. Unlike traditional compost, which may still contain partially decomposed organic matter, Vermicast is fully broken down and enriched with beneficial microorganisms, plant nutrients, and organic compounds that dramatically improve soil quality and plant health. The process of producing vermicast, known as vermicomposting, involves the use of specific worm species, primarily Eisenia fetida, red wigglers, and Lumbricus rebellus, to consume organic waste materials such as vegetable scraps, fruit peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, shredded paper, and other biodegradable substances. As these worms feed on the organic matter, their digestive systems break it down into a highly bioavailable form, excreting nutrient-rich castings that serve as an excellent natural fertilizer. The resulting vermicast is dark, crumbly, and has a pleasant earthy smell, resembling fine-textured soil. This material is teeming with beneficial bacteria, fungi, and enzymes that enhance soil structure, promote healthy plant growth, and contribute to sustainable farming and gardening practices. Vermicast is often referred to as black gold in the gardening and agricultural communities because of its extraordinary ability to improve soil fertility, increase crop yields, and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Unlike chemical fertilizers, which can lead to nutrient leaching and environmental pollution, Vermicast releases nutrients slowly and steadily, ensuring a consistent supply of essential elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron. This gradual nutrient release prevents overfertilization, which can damage plants and disrupt soil ecosystems. Moreover, Vermicast has a near-neutral pH, making it suitable for a wide variety of plants, from vegetables and fruits to flowers, trees, and houseplants. One of the most significant benefits of Vermicast is its ability to improve soil structure and texture. When added to soil, Vermicast enhances aeration, increases water retention, and promotes drainage, making it especially beneficial for heavy clay soils that tend to become compacted and waterlogged. At the same time, it helps sandy soils retain moisture and nutrients, preventing them from drying out too quickly. The organic matter in Vermicast encourages the growth of beneficial soil organisms, including earthworms and mycorrhizal fungi, which contribute to a thriving underground ecosystem. The presence of humic and fulvic acids in Vermicast further aids in nutrient absorption, allowing plants to take up essential minerals more efficiently. These natural compounds also help to chelate heavy metals, reducing their toxicity in the soil and creating a healthier growing environment for plants. Additionally, Vermicast contains plant growth hormones such as auxins, gibberellins, and cytokinins, which stimulate root development, improve seed germination rates, and enhance overall plant vigor. These growth-promoting substances make Vermicast particularly valuable for transplanting seedlings, as it helps them establish strong root systems and reduces transplant shock. Another remarkable advantage of Vermicast is its ability to suppress plant diseases and pests. The microbial diversity within Vermicast plays a crucial role in outcompeting harmful pathogens that cause root rot, damping off disease, and other soil-borne infections. Studies have shown that Vermicast can help control common plant pathogens such as Fusarium, Pythium, and Rhizoctonia, reducing the need for chemical fungicides in organic farming systems. In addition, the natural chitinase-producing bacteria present in Vermicast help break down chitin, a key component of insect exoskeletons, which can deter pests such as aphids, whiteflies, and nematodes. When used as a foliar spray in the form of Vermicast tea, this organic amendment can also enhance plant immunity, making them more resistant to fungal and bacterial infections. The benefits of Vermicast extend beyond soil health and plant growth. It is also a powerful tool for environmental conservation and waste reduction. The process of vermicomposting diverts organic waste from landfills, reducing methane emissions and lowering the environmental impact of food waste disposal. By turning kitchen scraps, agricultural residues, and livestock manure into valuable compost, vermicomposting supports circular economy principles and promotes sustainable waste management practices. Many municipalities and institutions are now adopting vermicomposting programs as part of their green initiatives, recognizing its potential to minimize landfill waste while producing high-quality compost for landscaping and urban agriculture projects. Commercially, Vermicast is increasingly being produced on a larger scale to meet the growing demand for organic soil amendments. Large-scale vermicomposting operations use continuous flow-through systems, which allow for the efficient harvesting of worm castings without disturbing the worms. These systems optimize the production process, ensuring a steady supply of Vermicast for farmers, gardeners, and landscapers. Some companies also produce Vermicast-based fertilizers and potting mixes, combining it with other organic amendments such as biochar, coconut coir, and rock dust to create specialized blends for different types of crops. Additionally, Vermicast is being used in hydroponic and aquaponic systems, where it serves as an organic nutrient source for plants grown without soil. In these controlled environments, vermicast extracts or compost teas are used to provide essential nutrients while maintaining a balanced microbial population that prevents disease outbreaks. The impact of vermicast on sustainable agriculture is profound, as it helps farmers reduce their reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, lower production costs, and improve soil fertility over the long term. Many organic farmers integrate vermicast into their soil management practices, using it as a top dressing, seed-starting medium, or component of compost tea to enhance plant health. The regenerative benefits of vermicast make it particularly valuable for degraded lands, where soil fertility has been depleted due to intensive farming practices, deforestation, or industrial pollution. By restoring soil structure and increasing organic matter content, vermicast helps rebuild soil ecosystems and promotes sustainable land use. Research has shown that applying vermicast to degraded soils accelerates microbial activity, enhances nutrient cycling, and increases the abundance of beneficial earthworms and soil organisms. These improvements lead to higher crop yields, better drought resilience, and greater carbon sequestration, making vermicast an essential tool for climate-smart agriculture. Vermicast is also gaining popularity in urban gardening, where space and resources are often limited. Home gardeners and urban farmers are increasingly turning to vermicomposting as a way to recycle food scraps while producing high-quality compost for container plants, raised beds, and rooftop gardens. Small-scale worm bins, which can be kept indoors or on balconies, allow individuals to compost their kitchen waste year-round, reducing household waste while improving soil fertility. Schools and community gardens are also incorporating vermicomposting into their educational programs, teaching students about the importance of soil health, composting, and sustainable agriculture. By engaging in hands-on vermicomposting activities, students gain a deeper understanding of ecological processes and develop practical skills that contribute to environmental stewardship. As awareness of the benefits of vermicast continues to grow, researchers and agricultural experts are exploring new ways to optimize its production and application. Studies are investigating the potential of vermicast to enhance carbon sequestration, improve soil detoxification, and even reduce greenhouse gas emissions in agricultural systems. The interactions between vermicast and soil microbiomes are also being studied to better understand how microbial communities influence plant growth and disease resistance. With ongoing advancements in vermiculture technology, including automated composting systems and precision application methods, the future of vermicast and sustainable agriculture looks promising. Ultimately, vermicast represents a powerful solution to many of the challenges facing modern agriculture, from soil degradation and declining crop yields to waste management and climate change mitigation. Its ability to enrich soil, promote plant health, and support ecological balance makes it one of the most valuable organic amendments available today. Whether used in backyard gardens, commercial farms, urban green spaces, or large-scale ecological restoration projects, vermicast plays a crucial role in building resilient and sustainable food systems. As more farmers, gardeners, and environmentalists recognize its benefits, vermicast is poised to become a cornerstone of regenerative agriculture and a key contributor to global efforts towards soil conservation and food security.